అసలు నీ పేరు రామ్ కాదు, కృష్ణుడు అని పెట్టుకోవాలి. నేను పోతున్నా. ఇంట్లో ఎప్పుడైనా రాజీ బాబా నేను వగైరా వగైరా అంటే నువ్వేం చేస్తా?
Welcome back to Changster. We are reacting to Godavari movie.
సీత ఏంటి నిద్ర పట్టడం లేదా? ఏమైందిరా? సీత ఏమైందో చెప్పమ్మా. అంత బాగానే అయింది కదా? నాకేమో కానీ ఒక యూస్లెస్ ఎంత చెత్తగా అంటే అంత చెత్తగా మరి బాగా తన్నాలమ్మా. అంత కోపంగా ఉంది. ఏమైనా మిస్బిహేవ్ చేశాడా? అది కాదమ్మా, మంచోడే కానీ హార్ట్లెస్ ఫెలో. దొంగ అసలు ఏమైంది చెప్పరా? చెప్పమ్మా. అమ్మా అది ఓకే ఓకే అంతా బాగానే ఉంది. మరి ఇప్పుడు ఈ ప్రాబ్లం ఏంటి? అదే రాజీ
మ్యారీడ్ ఆల్రెడీ.
ఈ రవీణతో పెళ్ళైపోయింది కదా, మరి నువ్వెందుకు ఇలా దేవదాసులా అదే పార్వతిలా? ఏమిటి ఇది? నాకేం ప్రాబ్లం లేదు, కోపం ఉంది, ఈక దాకా కోపం ఉంది. అలా ఎలా ఒప్పుకుంటాడు రాజీతో పెళ్లికి? కనీసం బుద్ధి ఉండాలి కదా. ఆ అమ్మాయి తింగదే కానీ తను ఆలోచించాలి కదా. చికెన్ బాక్స్ ఏ ఆ తిట్లాకు అవునే నువ్వు ఆ రాజుకి చీటీ పోయిందనో అదేదో ఆ చిన్నగాడు మింగేశాడనో ఓటు దేనికి ముందే చెప్పుంటే ఆ రాముడి మీద అంత కోపం వచ్చేది కాదు కదా. తనకి రాము చూడవడమ్మా, నాకిద్దరూ తెలుసు కదా. అలా నువ్వేలా డిసైడ్ చేస్తావే? ఆయన నీకే రైట్ ఉంది. అతనంటే ఇష్టపడ్డావా? ఇష్టమా? అఖిలన్ ఎవడు ఇష్టపడతాడమ్మా? సిగ్గు లేకుండా నన్ను చూసి కూడా తన వెంట పడ్డాడు. ఏమోలే, నీ చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి ఇప్పటి వరకు ఒక అబ్బాయి గురించి ఎన్ని మాటలు మాట్లాడటం నేను విన్నాను. ఈ రామ్ చూపి సంథింగ్ స్పెషల్. నాకు చెప్పినా ఏమక్కర్లేదు, అంత సీనియర్ లేదు. నువ్వు నిజంగానే ఇష్టపడితే కొన్ని విషయాలు వదిలేయాలి. ఆ సీతమ్మ వారు కూడా రాముని కొన్ని విషయాలు క్షమించేనే ఈ విషయం వదిలేసి పెళ్లి హ్యాపీగా పడుకోవాలి. హలో, తనను అనుమానించాడు కాబట్టి క్షమించాలి. అదే రాముడు వేరే అమ్మాయి గురించి ఆలోచించుంటే నిప్పుల్లో తోసేది. సరే, నాకు నిద్ర వస్తుంది, నేను వెళ్ళి పడుకుంటాను. అయితే లవ్ లాంటిది ఏది అవ్వలేదన్నమాట. చాలే జోక్ లేకు. 2 రోజులు అంతా హిస్టరీ అయిపోతుంది. రాముడు, చెత్త రాముడు, డొక్కు రాముడు, పేపరా.
He's coming. Yeah.
I don't know the diary. His character is very good, no? And the first page, I think.
ఇది నెంబర్ 29 అండి.
అవును.
ఇక్కడ సీత అని సీతామహాలక్ష్మి వాళ్ళ ఇల్లు.
మీరెవరు?
నా పేరు రామ్, శ్రీరామ్. రాజమండ్రి నుంచి నా కోసం వచ్చాను.
ఓ అక్క, దాదా నీకోసం రామ్ వచ్చాడు. రామంటే నువ్వేనా?
అవునండి.
కూర్చో బాబు. సీతా త్వరగా
Oh, looking. Coming in attitude now.
హాయ్ సీత.
ఎందుకు వచ్చాను?
మన ఫోటోలు అదే గోదావరిలో దిగిన ఫోటో.
Oh, photos. Has not come with the diary?
కాఫీ తీసుకో.
థ్యాంక్స్ అండి.
అమ్మా ఇతనే రామ్. తెలుసు, కూర్చొని మాట్లాడచ్చు కదా.
Yes, ready to roll. That's what I.
నమస్కారం.
మా నాన్న రామ్ అని చెప్పాను కదా.
హలో హలో పర్వాలేదు కూర్చోవయ్యా. అవి నీకే తీసుకొచ్చాను సీత.
రాజీ పెళ్ళైపోయిందా?
ఉమ్.
అమ్మ ఎలా ఉంది?
సూపర్. ఎప్పుడు నీ గురించి అడుగుతా ఉంటుంది. సీత, ఇఫ్ యూ డోంట్ మైండ్ 5 minutes నాతో బయటకు వస్తావా? నీతో కొంచెం పర్సనల్గా మాట్లాడాలి.
అనవసరంగా ఏదైనా చెప్పాలంటే ఇక్కడే చెప్పు.
జస్ట్ 5 minutes.
నేను స్నానం చేయాలి, ఇప్పుడు లేచాను.
ఓకే, నేను బయట వెయిట్ చేస్తాను. నువ్వు స్నానం చేసి వచ్చాయి, ఓకేనా?
She won't take bath, no, usually.
బాయ్ మధు. అంత లెవెల్ ఎందుకు సీత? ఏదో నీకోసం వచ్చానని. దిస్ ఇస్ టూ మచ్.
నువ్వు చేసిన పనులతో పోలిస్తే ఇదేమంత పెద్ద లెవెల్ కాదు.
నీకు ఎలా చెప్పాలో నాకు తెలియట్లేదు.
చదివావా? ఓకే బాయ్.
Red,
Told.
ఐ థింక్ ఐ లవ్ విత్ యూ. సారీ ఇలా రోడ్ మీద చెప్తున్నందుకు. ప్లానింగ్కి నాకు టైం లేదు. ఏమంటావు?
ఏమంటారు? చెప్పు తీసుకుంటాను. నా పేరు సీతా మహాలక్ష్మి, డొక్కు మహాలక్ష్మి కాదు. మనసులో రాజీని పెట్టుకుని ఇలా ప్రపోజ్ చేయడానికి నీకు సిగ్గులేదు? అసలు నీ పేరు రామ్ కాదు, కృష్ణుడు అని పెట్టుకోవాలి. నేను పోతున్నాను, నా టైం వేస్ట్ చేయి. దీనికోసం అక్కడి నుంచి వస్తే ఐఎమ్ సారీ. డైరీలో రాసింది బిఫోర్ రాజీ ఎపిసోడ్, ఆఫ్టర్ రాజీ కాదు.
ఓకే, రాజీ నా మనసులో లేదని నేను ప్రూవ్ చేస్తే ఒప్పుకుంటావా?
ఇవి మనసులు నాన్న, మ్యాథ్స్ లో సైన్స్ లో కాదు, ప్రూవ్ చేయడానికి.
నేను తనతో పెళ్లికి ఒప్పుకున్నాకే కదా నా మీద డౌట్ వచ్చింది. కరెక్టేనా? నేను రాజీని పెళ్లి చేసుకున్నావని అసలు అనుకోలేదే అనుకో. అప్పుడైనా నమ్ముతావా?
నమ్ముతాను. ఎగిరి గంతేసి నేను గట్టిగా ముద్దు పెట్టుకుంటాను. కానీ నీకు చేయలేదు పో.
సీత విను.
he written like that?
Nothing. Simply.
చిన్న మింగేసిన చీటీలో నేను డైరెక్షన్స్ ఏమి ఇవ్వలేదు. బ్లాంక్ చీటీ.
Oh.
ఇష్టం లేనప్పుడు ఇంత బిల్డప్ ఎందుకు? నాకు అక్కడే చెప్పుండొచ్చు కదా.
సీత, రాజీ కొంచెం మొండి పిల్ల. పెళ్లికి ఒక రోజు ముందు నన్ను తన మనసులో పెట్టుకుంటే అసహ్యంగా ఉంటుంది కదా. ఇంకే ఆ కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఫినిష్ చేయడానికి నేను కొంచెం విలన్ అయ్యాను అంతే. యూనో 10th క్లాస్ లో కూడా సరిగ్గా ఎలా జరిగింది ఇప్పటి వరకు నాకు క్షమించలేదు. ఎనీవే, షీల్ బి హ్యాపీ థింకింగ్ ఐ యామ్ యూస్లెస్ ఫెలో.
Oh, he has become a villain that day.
నాకు ముందే చెప్పాలి కదా.
రాజీ విషయం నీకు చెప్పడం ఎందుకని. ఎనీవే, ఫ్యూచర్ లో మీరిద్దరు ఫ్రెండ్స్ గా ఉండాల్సినాడు కదా.
థ్యాంక్ యూ. సో నా వల్ల నీ పెళ్లి చెప్పు అంతే కదా.
Oh.
ఇది కూర్చున్నావా?
నీకు ఓకేనా?
నాకు ఓకే. ఏదైనా స్టార్ హోటల్ కావాలా?
Oh.
వైసా దో చాయ్ और బిస్కెట్.
It's not okay for her actually.
అన్నీ క్లియర్ అయిపోయినాయి కదా. ఇప్పుడు నేను ఓకేనా?
ఇదిగో ఇప్పుడే చెప్పేస్తున్నా. నువ్వు నన్ను అడిగావు పెళ్లి చేసుకుందామని. నువ్వే ముందు ఐ లవ్ యూ చెప్పినా. ఈ కేక్ సాక్ష్యం. మరి గొడవ చెవుగా.
అసలు
నేనేమి నేను ఇష్టపడి నీ పెళ్లి జరగట్లేదు, సరేనా?
సరే సరే.
That's what.
లైఫ్ లో ఎప్పుడైనా రాజీ బావా నేను వగైరా వగైరా అంటే నువ్వేం చేస్తావు?
డైరెక్ట్ గా నీ దగ్గరికి వచ్చేద్దా.
నాకు చెప్పడం తర్వాత, ముందు చెప్ప చెల్లి అనిపించండి, సరేనా?
She'll come like that now.
నేను రాజీ కంటే పెట్టరా? చాలు, ఇంకా గట్టిగా చెప్పు. ఒక మంచి ముద్దు పెట్టి కాన్ఫిడెంట్ గా నాకు లైఫ్ లాంగ్ గుర్తుండిపోవాలి.
ఇంకా రాజీ గురించి మనం ఎప్పుడు మాట్లాడుకోవచ్చు కదా.
Yeah, how the scene showed no.
ఏ సీత, నీకు తెలుసా నాకు 2 జాబ్ ఆఫర్స్ వచ్చాయి.
గుడ్ గుడ్, వెరీ గుడ్.
ఒకడు 15,000 ఇస్తానన్నారు, ఇంకొకడు 20. సైకిల్ తొక్కమంటావా, నేను జాతకం చెప్పమంటావా?
సైకిల్ గురించి జాతకించు.
Wow.
Wow,
What
what
a
a
fast note.
nice, yeah,
So,
nice movie. That's right.
that's how, no? Yeah.
That's the reason many liked it, because usually like we recently we reacted to many movies, but most of some scenes didn't go very well. But this movie scene, no, especially we don't know the hero and only we know the heroine. So but still many people accepted the intro scene itself, and they, like, many said it's very nice movie, you should
It's
watch it.
everyone's favorite.
Yes, so I was really thinking, because it's not every time seen face, actually the hero face especially, but in this movie it's not about a hero or heroine, it's about everything. Everything, it is a correct combination, and it's perfect romantic drama. Oh my god, it's a
And-
perfect romantic movie.
Yeah, what
Yes.
I felt it, no, it's more relatable. Like some characters, no, the Taraji character we can relate with so many girls. They will be having that type of character. Even Sita character, same like that, because that little type of Kushuman, no, that will be there with that. And even his character, he's very good in heart. But he is also like he don't want to hurt anyone. Like that thing
Yes,
is there.
yes,
So he's
yes.
also so many
So he played
characterizations.
like Krishna almost,
Yeah.
like, because there's a way like to do the things. Sometimes
But in
we can.
no, his character is Rama.
Yeah,
That's
character is Rama, but the way he acted at that time is like Krishna.
Krishna.
Because a very, sometimes we say something to in a very direct way, people cannot accept it. That become a scene. But there is a way to take it in a different way, like how you do it. Today only I actually, just before reacting to this scene only, I talked, because of some situations, like how he does the thing, because like sometimes he would be communicating something to me directly, I'll always like cut it out. I
No,
would
that
say,
would be rude. Actually.
yeah, I would say no. But there is a way that he always talk, but at the end it would be reaching to his point. I have observed actually many times, like, if somebody says to me directly, you do this, I won't do. So that's my character. But he does it in a different way, like,
Actually, almost what I felt it. No, here Sita character is more suitable for her.
yeah.
So many areas, because the diary scene itself. So many areas, no, she'll be writing all these things. So even she's telling, no, that Rama character. Yeah, maybe because that's again a
Because
connecting point.
in drama there is always a Krishna.
Yeah. So there is a connecting point. So this connecting point is connected with us. So that's why we are enjoying this movie.
Yeah.
And
That scene, just before the scene reaction only, I talked with him that you always just like that, because I realized it recently only, that thing, because
after how many years you
after
realized?
almost like
6 years?
6 years, yeah. After 6 years, I'm realizing this thing. He does always like, but it would be reaching to his point only. Unknowingly, it goes actually, like, always. But yeah, that's a way. Like, sometimes that's a way even with the kids also, right? Because if the kids are actually saying, I want this chocolate, or I want this.
You told, no, this one, why no? I stayed with my granny.
Yeah.
I know how to take care of her.
Yeah.
The kids may, like you told, no, kids.
Yeah,
Same
obviously.
like character, grannies will be there. No,
Yeah, because
grandmas will be
even actually kids know, like, if they don't want to do something, like, but we see that, yeah, I'll do this one, I'll do that, and you do it, no? See, ultimately, like, whatever is the thing to be done is done there. Which way it is going, no matter. That aim is there, no? That is fulfilled. So that is how, there's something. So that's how the people also, like, people will be always not very welcomed with everybody's ideas, like, some people like would be having their own ideologies. Yeah, that is correct, the way, it is human, like everybody is unique, right? So but if that's the reason, no, like, all the relationships won't go very smooth.
Actually, that coffee scene you get connected, no, again.
This movie, many scenes.
5 rupees coffee chai will be used to in 2019 or 20, like
2019.
19.
Yes,
That
yes.
time we used to drink 5 rupees tea. in Bangalore itself in a roadside.
Yeah.
So that 5 rupees tea is special.
Actually, yes. We
that's
started actually with the 5 rupee scene. Yeah,
5
so not
rupees tea.
scene actually, 5 rupee tea.
Tea, yeah.
So that is where, we started talking and that
That's a long
bond
story.
started. It's the bond started actually with that 5 rupees tea. So that time I actually I never had an experience like that having tea and all on roadsides, but I was really comfortable with him. Though it was my first time I'm having a tea like that,
No.
area and situation, but I was comfortable. Like it's all about the comfort, right? Because sometimes so many stubbornness would be there inside us actually. So many, yeah, I would be only like that. But yeah, that people would be with us actually. Their influence or the way how they are, we would be definitely changing, like in many way, and that way we can that's a way, that's a reason, no, like many when altern people also says like where you belong, your character would be defined in that way. Like if you're with a very good people, a positive mind people, you also try to do many things actually, even though you try to break the limits within you. If you're with a very wrong company, then you will also be
Yeah.
very much spoiled
Yeah.
actually, mentally, physically, everything. So I feel it's
Actually,
all with the
Yeah, that same what you told, no, that actually shown in this movie. When he is like that and he'll be doing all these good things, no? What she has done for Chinna, that treasure hunting time. She left, no?
Yes.
They almost dropped from the treasure hunt and given to him because he needed it actually. So that character, how she got it? Because he was doing all these things. So that will be there always. That's why we will be telling always like negativity. If it is coming in our surroundings, we have to leave from there. And we have to go in the positive way.
Yeah, that is
So then
very
only
true.
we'll be getting the positive things. And
Especially-
again, 5 rupees tea also you told, no?
Yeah.
That's again a point because 5 rupees tea, if you are having with a good people, that tea will be almost worth like 120 or 200 rupees.
Like Starbucks.
Starbucks, yeah. And Starbucks and Cafe Day.
Yeah, even Starbucks.
And
that
sometimes if we are having a coffee or tea with a Starbucks or Cafe Day with a 200 or 120 rupees,
it's
then
not 100.
No,
It's very costly.
I'm telling. If like that also means no. Sometimes we will feel that it's not worthy.
Yeah.
We
No,
will feel that it will
everything.
be like a 5 rupees tea.
Yeah. No,
You got it, no?
it depends upon the company we are with
Yeah,
actually
yeah,
always. Because if you are with very positive mind people, then 5 rupees tea would feel like Starbucks coffee.
Yeah,
like,
that's what I told.
yeah, that's what.
It's not based on ambience.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
but
not.
ambience is required. Ambience is required that depend on the mood swings. So it's not like that every time we'll be requiring that, and every time if it is requiring then it will be a very costly or richness, that kind of life. No, it's not based on that. It's all based on the people surrounding with us.
Yeah, because
that Godavari scene. That's why the director chosen that area, because Godavari is a positive area.
it's a
No.
positive, the
Yeah,
positive
that-
vibe and the positive traveling,
Yeah.
because within nature.
Bhadrachalam, that area and all.
That it's full of positivity. So that is how. And again, the hero here, he is very true to his point, because he's not changing for anyone. Like how he is actually is not changing. He wants to, otherwise no, he would have changed way before actually to get Raji. So it is, he is very matured even and to understand, she's not actually fit for him. So that he realized it. And she is she is very outspoken, and she show too much of attitude and everything, but still in the deep inside she is very very good. That's what, she behaves like that. People think actually just look at two ladies actually. Raji looks very innocent. The way she speaks, the way she behaves, everything. Look-wise, she's very innocent. But look at her actually. See how she behaves and talks, very rude and talkative and everything. But in first sight, we feel that she's very rude and all.
But in the inner, she is very cute.
Yeah.
That will be showing always with him only.
Yes.
Some areas like when she has come to see him like in home. That time she was smiling and coming, but later on she changed the character. So that's the thing. And again, last point also the director shown again that he was telling, I got a job offer for 15,000 and 20,000. So there she's okay. And T scene also she's okay. So that's point and all shown. And director again there is no complication too much in the movie. Like some movies will be
No,
there.
actually, the thing
No,
is,
some
no,
movies will be there. No, very much tensed
Mm.
and really feeling that why it is
Yeah.
going like that.
I
It
would
has-
be feeling
Yeah, so
lost.
that it is not there in this movie. It
No.
was very smoothly that she was talking with mom. No, there itself that the director is feeling that yeah, this movie is going to like this. There is no complication. Tail end is perfect,
Mm.
like that.
No, that's the reason, no? Like, this movie is a perfect example, like, for, why the chemistry between the couples are not working out. Because, if the things are not working out, no, like, we can try to work it out in an extent, before that, if the things are not working out, that's the thing, no, like, nowadays, actually, so many, separations are happening, actually. That is the ultimate truth. And but some people would just go with the flow, like, that's how also would be there.
Wow.
But it's a movie is very perfect example. People, those who are in love and are going to marry, because this movie gives some insights to identify the people and understand the people, especially
Yeah.
because sometimes we should not only go with the full of practical people, because they will not have emotion.
Mm.
And to be frank, even though we say that it should not be emotionless and everything, to be in any relationship, and if it to be last actually in a very happy manner, there has to be emotions in
Emotion,
that.
yeah,
If the
required.
emotions
Emotions
are
required.
not there, if we behave like a robots, then that is not life, actually, right? Because there has to be some fights in between couples, there has to be like joy, so many good moments, actually, everything. It's a combination.
That's what I felt it.
If
No?
it is a jungle, all the animals has to be there, like, it's something like that.
And Shekhar Kamala is the masters in life chemistry. Life chemistry, because what we have seen, all the movies, no, 3 movies we watched till now. So even Happy Days also, he talked about the chemistry itself. There also, that couple chemistry. Even Fida, same like that. Chemistry only talked.
It seems like we are taking out all the gems
Yeah.
out
Good
of
movies.
Telugu industry, because you people would be knowing it about all the movies and you would have experienced it long before. It's because it is a 2006 movie, right? But now, who would watch this movie? The young generation,
But,
how many would be watching? But might be the Telugu audience would be watching, even young generation
No.
also, but non-Telugu people
yeah.
would not be watching it, right?
What I felt, it's based on the movie. Because nowadays, last 2 days, when I was something, I was doing the work and all. That time I was watching some old movies from our Malayalam because of some recent interviews. So that movie, when I'm watching, I'm feeling fresh now also.
Yeah.
Because that content is too strong. So many dialogues are perfect now also. Even same like that, these movies, that perfect. Everything is perfect. Now also we are getting it.
Yes.
We are able to digest it, the topic. So that's why the movie is having a repeat value.
And again, so sorry for those who watched this movie since beginning of the reaction. Like, we, 2 or 3 days we could not upload it, because just near to our home, just
Very
half
near.
kilometers, a very famous temple is there. So that temple, almost like 41 days of festival.
Complete festival.
So the last 10 days are very special there. So we initially we just went for taking the videos and all, but later on those people recognized us and asked us to actually, like, they almost give permission to take videos of many things which others can't take it.
Yeah,
So we got that opportunity to take it. Yeah, it's not any monetary benefit and all, but still, it's an experience for us, because every time we cannot measure the things with the monetary,
and that
right?
too we can share with other people who don't know.
So that we have taken, so it's very nice visual. So that was a different experience. So that's the reason he posted the community post, and that one comment was there. Yeah, please do it.
No, don't worry. You after the festival you upload the movie.
Yeah, some comments were there like that. I know that, because to watch always, like, continuity matters a lot. So now we are trying to do that our best, actually. But that festival now next year only would be happening, right? If we miss those things, then it's a miss only. So that's the reason, like, 2 or 3 days gaps were there. We didn't want it, actually, intentionally. It didn't happen. It goes, because life is like that, right? Sometimes so many things would be happening as a surprise. So that came as a surprise. So if you are interested to watch, that videos and you can come and watch in my Instagram and
Instagram, Facebook, or our YouTube channel.
Yeah, I'll be mentioning actually the ID. So if you have not seen my YouTube channel, you can watch it. So if you like, to watch very natural,
very traditional,
very traditional, videos, and especially divine by videos and all. Recently, we uploaded like that kind
more
of.
into life related.
Yeah, so that recently, like,
Yeah,
more of the
recently.
temple related
Temple
videos,
related.
and because so many new cultures are there. Even our Kerala people itself very surprised watching that videos are, they obviously, you people would be more surprised watching that.
Yeah,
So
sure,
if
sure.
you're interested to watch, you can definitely watch. You can give that
Yeah,
idea.
they can watch it there also, and even YouTube also, no, that this one, audio, English audio comes,
Yeah.
sometimes it will come also. Yeah.
So that's all. So successfully we completed the reaction. Share your opinion about the movie. See another video.